Hello, good morning. Today I wanted to continue on this game development journey. However, today I wanted to do something else, and I wanted to experiment something about this build size that in my previous video maybe you can remember that I have problem with my build size of the final build size of this game, and after the final build size of this game is too much to release before releasing. I needed to strip it down to a certain level, less than 30 megabytes in total. That's why I talked with some people and I asked for their ideas on how to strip this thing down, strip the file size of this game. However, there was some problem that I do not manage to strip it, remove the some part of the game and decrease the size of this game. So in the end, I decided to investigate what may be the possible cause lying underneath this project, and today I wanted to make some experiments with the build size. So actually, when I investigate my build size, let me show you with the Explorer in here. This is the build size of my file. This is the one of the final build size of my file, and as you can see, it's 33 megabytes. And 33 megabytes consists of 10 megabytes nearly consists of my data. This includes the assets and 3D elements and the other other things that I'm used within the game. And this section consists of the packages and my scripts and all of the logic behind this game. However, this package is around 23 megabytes, which causes me the headache, which is the source of my headache in here. That's why I wanted to investigate this guy, and I needed to decrease the size of this WASM file. I searched through internet and to see that maybe I can find a way to decouple or find a way to what's inside this WASM file. However, I was not successful, and it looks like this is just a compiled binary file, and there is no way to decompile it. Yes, there are some ways, but there is no easy way to decompile it and to see what's inside and what package is causing this value, this 23 megabytes value around here. So what came into my mind that I decided that I need to experiment. If I cannot see what's inside this file, I can experiment. However, I can experiment what may be inside this file. So I created a new clean project. You can see over there. And inside this project, first I start with nothing, no assets whatsoever inside this project, and I got a build from that. I generate a build file, and this was around 11 megabytes. After that, I wanted to try the same build file with one of my one of the must-have things, one of my must-have packages in my every project .win, and I generated a build file with .win, and as you can see, without any selection, it just goes from 11 megabyte to 80 megabyte, which is a 7 megabyte difference approximately. Then I tried this guy with easy save package, and which results in a dramatical 11 megabytes to 23 megabytes, which is 12 megabytes difference, and this is a huge difference for me. After that, I make another experiment that what about if I both add .win and easy save into the same project, and what will be the result of this? And the result was not good. If you look the experiments above, you may say that this is 7 megabyte difference with the empty project, and this is 12 megabyte difference with the empty project. And in conclusion, you will think that if you use both of these, if you include both of these assets into the final build, it should be around 30 megabytes. However, as you can see, it's only 24 megabytes. And after this experiment, I tried this one too. Is a .win and .com was all together, and which results in 26 megabytes in total. So it looks like something when I add the packages, Unity decides not to strip down some of the files. This is the conclusion I end up with. Right now I'm continue on stripping down. Actually, when I go over this clean WebGL project, this .win package has good thing that when you set up .win, you can add or remove the modules. And right now I will continue on testing them. Actually, I tested only the physics enabled, and this is package, the final package is not as big as all of other packages are selected. So I'm trying to find the reason behind this. Actually, I had a possible reason in my mind that maybe the using statements under the scripts may cause this problem, but I still wanted to investigate, and I wanted to continue from now on. And as you can see, .win with only audio enabled, this is just 12.4 megabytes. 12 points, let's say 30 megabytes. And yes, let's continue working, let's continue investigating from this point. Right now, I tried playing with .win a little, and I want to test that if this using system collections generic or using system IO will have any effect on the final build size. Because I just generated, as you can see, I just generated a new behavior script, a new script, and with this script I add some using statements inside this project, and I wanted to see the end result of this. That's how the end results will be just changing and adding using statements above the script files, and nearly no effect. Let's try out with this guy, because this script has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 scripts in total. Yes, no effects. No effect whatsoever. Okay, this guy has many, this package has many using statements, but has no effect on the final build. So what was the difference with .win, easy save, and this WV hierarchy package? Still 11 megabytes. I also use this asset too much, and let's try importing this one. This is one of the best asset, one of the most used assets for me, and nearly in my every project I have these assets in my folder. So let's try building this guy. And drink some water. Drinking water is the best when dealing with game development. It soothes you out, it releases your stress, it keeps you calm, it keeps your body, keeps your blood flowing into your veins, and after all, it's a good thing, it's a healthy thing, it's a health habit, instead of just eating some snacks in front of the computer or drinking water. Is both drinking water both keeps you healthy and keeps your body hydrated. So drink more water. .2 megabytes. The total file size of 17. This is close to .win. Fourteen megabytes. Large and common with common. Okay, the folder I deleted is 2.3 megabyte. However, the effect it created is more than 3 megabytes. So how does this happen? Let's just clean re-import this thing. Under lean touch, I have my examples, my extras. Okay, 70 megabytes. Let's remove examples folder. Okay, 17 megabytes with examples file extras deleted. Yes, 14 megabytes. So removing these extras, which is 141 kilobytes, creates a 3 megabyte difference in the game, in the final build. Let's just remove this part. Remove this dance script. Okay. Oh, I needed to, it looks like I needed to delete all of them. One, two, three, four, five, six. Let's try getting a build with half of the extras.